Hi friends, welcome back to Simplify India, your ultimate learning partner. Before proceeding further, since this video is a part 3 of a series on capital gains and its taxation, so we recommend you people to watch part 1 and part 2 of the series for the better understanding of the concept. Today, we are going to learn about indexation in capital gains. What is indexation? Indexation is used to adjust the purchase price of an investment to reflect the effect of inflation on it. A higher purchase price means lesser profits, which effectively means a lower tax. With the help of indexation, you will be able to lower your long-term capital gains, which brings down your taxable income. Let us learn the concept of the indexation with the example of selling a property. If in case we are selling a house or a property which we have bought for rupees 10 lakh and now we are selling it for rupees 20 lakh. As we have already learned in our previous video that indexation is applicable only in case of long-term capital gains, let us learn this with the help of simple example. Now let us calculate the capital gains for the short-term capital asset without indexation. As we already know the formula, that is capital gain or loss is equal to selling price minus buying price, that is rupees 20 lakh minus rupees 10 lakh will fetch a gain of rupees 10 lakh, which will be a taxable income. Similarly, let us calculate the same for long-term capital asset with indexation. For similar example, that is rupees 20 lakh minus rupees 10 lakh, we are going to get the gain of rupees 10 lakh. Here, unlike the short-term capital asset where we are going to pay the tax on the entire sum of rupees 10 lakh, here it is not so, as it is a long-term capital asset we are going to get the indexation benefit. Here, instead of considering the buying price, we are going to consider the fair market value, that is rupees 15 lakh. Here selling price minus fair market value, that is rupees 20 lakh minus rupees 15 lakh, we are going to get rupees 5 lakh as our taxable income. Here in case of the long term capital asset, the taxable income is much lesser when compared to the short term capital asset. Thanks for watching Simplify India. Please do support us by subscribing our channel. Simplify India.